How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account using the mobile app. It's quick and easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now from here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings and privacy section. From here at the top you can see the option labeled as Account Center. So here under the Account Center, simply tap on the option that says See More in Account Center. And here, once you are inside the Account Center, simply scroll down and tap on Personal Details. And now here, inside the personal details, you can see the option labeled as Account Ownership and Control. So simply tap on it, and now here on the new page, simply select Deactivation or Deletion. And now here, simply select your account, and once you have selected that on the new page, simply select Deactivate Account, and once you have selected that, just tap on Continue. And after that, on the new page, it will ask you to enter your password again. So here, simply enter your Facebook password again, and after that you can just tap on Continue. And after that, just follow the on-screen instructions, and at last just tap on Deactivate Facebook account, and Facebook will temporarily deactivate your account. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your Facebook account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.